Hi, Dr. Saxena here, and I'm being asked by some person. So why don't you talk about what is this water and what is this RO water and all that, mineral water, and this is a big subject actually. What is this purified drinking water? What is the kind of things you are because at the when we talk about with patients, and we believe that we need to have a idea what is this alkaline water, what is this mineral water, what is the spring water, and all that. So let's try to work out what I mean by all this stuff. But I believe this people should know what exactly is this natural versus artificially created alkaline water, because what I had seen is that you need to really work it out. Um, Working like this alkaline water is normally what we had seen comes from the springs or wells where there is a lot of minerals. So this was a kind of springs and all that. You people must be aware. Drinking water from that particular area in New Zealand, in India, there are a lot of shines and all that. So it helps basically in combating the diseases, and that was purely because of that alkaline nature of the water, and which has got that water contains some things like good amounts of magnesium, potassium, and sodium, as well as calcium. So not only the thirst quenching but full of electrolytes and minerals are there with this natural alkaline water which comes from the springs or wells. The second thing is, what is this artificially created alkaline water? This particularly comes from the chemical process called electrolysis, which raises the pH in the water with an ionizer. So when the acidic and alkaline water molecules are separated, the acid part is removed and what remains is the alkaline. And this ionized alkaline water can have a pH about 9 or 9.5 or higher also. So this is the the thing is, the takeaway is alkaline water is good for you, but I don't believe all the claims which have been taken by this artificial created alkaline water. Natural alkaline water comes with the minerals and all that, and you are happy to. What happens? Use with caution this artificially made alkaline water. It has less beneficial minerals in that, and also contains some contaminants which have to be careful while you work it out. So this is regarding this alkaline water, and you know about alkaline things, pH of water. And now we can always check the pH of water, just like you check the TDS of water. And by you can always take the pH strips and check it out, what is the pH of that. Anything between 7.35 to 7.45 is normal. Below that, in the sense around 4, around 1 0 to 4 7 is comes under the acid pH, whereas from 7.45 towards 14 is basic pH. Basic is alkaline pH. So you need to understand that the disease states begin when the human body becomes too acidic, the pH shifts toward this side. So drinking amounts of alkaline water helps to push back the body to the alkaline range, and it helps. So this is the basis for why this alkalinity is important, and we try to keep that. We always tell you can try to maintain your minerals as well as alkalinity, which helps you in a big way. Coming to the choices, what we have, we keep talking about alkaline water and RO water. What is this thing called reverse osmosis water? What are we talking about? Why this purified drinking water comes from a variety of water sources? It is can be purified by just doing something process called reverse osmosis, and this see, it can be a basic tap water which run through the RO process. So we'll see what exactly. RO process works by a high pressure pump to force the water across the semi-permeable RO membrane, reverse osmosis membrane. removing approximately 95 to 99% of the dissolved salts, particles, colloids, uh, organics, bacteria, and other pathogens. So it's not 100% for removal of that bacteria or viruses, because since the viruses are very small, it can pass through these membranes. But what happens is that this RO removes magnesium, calcium, sodium, potassium as well. So unless these electrolytes and minerals are added back during the bottling process itself, RO water on a regular basis can leach minerals from the body. Means with just consuming the RO water, you are going to get into something like osteoporosis. Your calcium goes down, your bones become brittle. That is the kind of thing which can be a process. And mind you, this RO water is slightly acidic. Prolonged consumption of this reverse osmosis water can have adverse health effects, from increasing the risk of kidney disorders and gastrointestinal troubles. So the thing is, you need to be careful about this RO, because what happens is that you need to work on this particular area. Unless you do that, you need to see that the minerals are replicated back. It is then only you can always remineralize the water. What you have done RO for the water, reverse osmosis, you have done it. Later on, remineralize them back, magnesium, potassium, and salt, so that you can always, you don't go into the problems. I have been spoken. I think someone spoken to me about this distilled water, and this is one of the things which we normally try to advise people in the renal area, in the people having CKD and all that. It doesn't. This is the purest form of water. Water is boiled and turned into a steam, and then converted into water again. We used to use this for our lab equipments and all that. Unless we get the distilled water in the purest form, our the kind of machines calibration was not done properly. So I remember this particular thing is unit we used to have in our center, where distilled water was produced. But I can always tell you, this has got a very flat taste, doesn't provide you with any healthy minerals or electrolytes. It doesn't contain any minerals. So you can put small amounts from the, you need to replenish it. That's the kind of, it has to be worked. And distilled water has a tendency to leach chemicals or minerals from any container it is in. So if you're drinking distilled water from a plastic jug, it's highly likely that it has absorbed some of the chemicals from the plastic container. Some bottled water companies distill the water and replenish the minerals and electrolytes during the bottling process, depending on the. So these are the things which you have to work it out, and depending on the tap water where you live, the distilled water could be better for you than tap water, which may contain chemicals like lead, mercury, pesticides, and tiny pathogens. See, this is one thing which we are talking about. Distilled water is not a great choice of water to drink, but I can tell you, but it can be better than some tap waters which contain fluoride, chlorine, lead, and some toxins and all that. So try to do some distilled water. Make distilled water, to make it drinking. You need to replenish with minerals and electrolytes, so that's a good idea of what can be done. There is another thing about what I wanted to mention was about spring water. Spring water is a fairly a generic term, which is a huge amount of diversity for the spring water. Its purity comes from within. Spring water, water that is filtered through the rocks and comes to the surface. So this is one of the good ways which we can always look into this. And I can always tell you, the people who take this particular thing, they get the um, variety of minerals and electrolytes, and the type of water can be good for your health as well as quench your thirst. And you need to always check your pH and TDS whenever you are having a, you try to try something new in the water. And I always advise you to have a pH paper which doesn't cost anything, and check the pH of water, or try to look at something like TDS of the water. That will help you in understanding. And you should always look at something like remineralizing. That should be a major thing. So this is what I thought I should share with you this about this water. It's not controversy, but everyone is talking about RO these days, and we need to be careful that it should not be too much acidic. At the same time, there should not be demineralized water. Is not good for you because it may cause some problems. Thank you.